I'm a programmer.
I'm a developer.
I'm an engineer.
To some people, we are all the same.
Look, coders!
But to a lot of tech professionals, we are different.
Tech recruiters. If you see programmer, developer, or engineer on a resume, it means the candidate often has a specific role. Just take the programmer over here.
I'm really into code. By that, I mean I write, test, debug, troubleshoot, and maintain the source code of computer programs. If I do my job right, my code is clean, well documented, and doesn't conflict with anything my colleagues have written. But I also have an eye on efficiency. Before I start coding, I need to figure out how to translate project requirements into a plan and decide which frameworks and libraries will help me get my work done more efficiently. To do this, I need to be able to use the tech stack the project uses.
While the programmer is super focused on the code, I take a broader view. Sure, as a developer, I need to know about the tech stack I use and should be able to write code, but I'm in charge of the whole software development process. I start by talking to the customer and other stakeholders and deciding on their needs. I then design the architecture of the program and work with programmers to execute it. Once they do that, I test the program for efficiency and bugs. I eventually release it to the beta testers and then production. But that doesn't mean my job is over. Once the program is released, I check out what the users do with it. I then fix the bugs they find and iterate on the program to better suit user needs. In addition to coding skills, I have to have soft skills like project management, business logic, communication skills to make the project happen. My job is all about solving problems, so I have the chance to be really creative.
I'm an engineer. Engineers like me do a lot of the same things that developers do, but on a much bigger scale. If a developer is in charge of an application, I'm in charge of building an enterprise application or system, where a developer probably knows one or two tech stacks they use to complete a project. I know a few, and I'm often full stack. Because of the size of the systems I work on, I can't afford to be as creative as a developer. Too much is riding on the outcome, so I need to solve problems paying attention to more closely established best practices. I need to know how multiple technologies work together so that my system runs efficiently.
So next time you hire for a position, don't think,
Another coder?
Recognize that for a lot of tech professionals, these are different positions.
To learn more about programmers, developers, and engineers, check out the links below.